So, um, someone said change the date. Don't worry, we'll change the date later, okay? So, someone says because that guy said who goes, that's why we logged off. I mean, no, there was I mean, it was something very important actually. Just had to like attend to it quickly. Um, Someone said going by your glasses funny as hell. Man, I mean, my eyes are already paining me actually. Every single moment I'm on the screen. So I mean, I'm supposed to be on my glasses because I used to wear it in the morning. So I just wanted to wear it. So for we are looking at XAUSD, right? Before we logged off, so we're looking at XAUSD. Someone said, someone said, so don't worry, it's going to be worked on, okay? So well, let's continue with what we were doing. People will definitely join, okay? People will definitely join. Even though it's 17th or even though we are writing 15 there. Exactly. People already know that 7 a.m. we are here. So, I mean, it's a daily ritual. 7 a.m. we are already here. So, remember the way you are joining, that's how you are liking, right? The way you are joining, that's the way you are liking. So make sure you go back and like this video. We have 34 people on here. We need to see 34 likes. We need to see 34 likes. On XAUSD, right? So we can see, right, on our 1 hour time frame, price is still, price is still consolidating. That's for one. Price is still consolidating. We are not really seeing any, how am I going to say this? We are not really seeing any major thing in the market as of right now. Okay. Price is still consolidating, But around that consolidation, right, we are still seeing what more bearish exhaustion. We are seeing multiple bearish exhaustion, which are this, things like this. We are seeing multiple bearish exhaustion. How the candlesticks are closing, right? They are closing with a whole lot of weakness to the downside. And going to your lower time frame, which is your 15 minutes time frame, we can see that price broke above this minor. This is just what I'm explaining now is internal structure, right? So internal structure wise, price broke this resistance, right, and also has broken above our dynamic resistance. But our dynamic resistance is our moving average is still pointing straight, right, to show you that what I mean. No, the momentum is still like neutral out of this point. Do you get the momentum as of this point is still neutral. So we are not at, I won't really tell you guys to buy, nor will I tell you guys to sell right now on XAU. The only thing I'll tell you guys to do now on XAU is, can somebody tell me what will I tell you to do on XAU now? What is the best advice to do on what are you supposed to do on XAU now? We wait, exactly. Very good. We wait. Comot body, nice. Say chop price, exactly. Good. I like that. So now on XAU, I mean, here looking at this, if you look at the higher time frame, like go further and see the higher time frame, price is still kind of bullish. Price is still bullish, not even kind of bullish, and price is sitting on our 61.8. Price is giving us multiple bearish exhaustion, right? But price is still what giving us lows, right? All these things are lows. Price is still giving multiple lows, right? So it's still giving you more resistance. And on that 1 hour time frame, price is still under your moving average, showing you that on your 1 hour time frame, momentum is still bearish, right? So now let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Momentum is neutral. Do you get? On 1 hour time frame, momentum is bearish. On 15 minutes time frame, momentum is neutral. Do you understand my point? So now we are not, we are just waiting. Honestly, I'm just, for me though, I'm observing and I'm waiting on XAUSD to give me some kind of clean setup, something to, to a tangible setup to hold on to, because currently now there is no setup in the market, there is no structure in the market, nothing. Do you understand? So, and I don't want to go against, I do not want to go against the trend. Do you understand? I don't want to go against the trend, because if I want to go against the trend, I would have started looking for some kind of selling opportunities now and all. But no, that's not, I'm not really interested in that. Do you understand? So I want to flow with the trend, and have confidence in my trade when, even though I'm in drawdown. Do you understand? Because the number one thing is, once you're flowing with the trend, you have confidence. Do you understand? That's why you see me, I'll say I'm still holding. Why am I still holding? It's not like as if my father is the owner of the market. It's because I know that the trend is bullish. Impulsive move is on the bullish side. So I mean, that's why I'm still holding until market tells me otherwise, until I see a shift or a change in momentum, which I taught the bootcamp students yesterday. So as of now, momentum is still what? As of now, momentum in this market is still neutral. I'm neither bearish nor bullish on this lower time frame, but on the higher time frame projection, I am still overall bullish. Do you get? Higher time frame projection, I am still overall bullish. So that is that on XAU. Not too much talk here. Let's just observe and see what is going to happen. So now let's go to GBP USD. Guys, yesterday on GBP USD, the kind of sell I was seeing, I was like, Jesus, what the hell? The sell was crazy. GBP USD. You can imagine, see how price just, oh my days. I don't know if this happened because of the, was it because of the war? or whatsoever. But honestly, I don't know what could have led to this drop. This drop, like I mean, GBP USD moved like gold yesterday. I was like, Jesus Christ, what's going on? I was confused. At some point, I was like, wow. Let's see where this. I was even expecting price to keep on dropping and dropping. I'm like, what's going on? Because I was kind of like, I mean, I don't really understand what was actually happening. But remember, price will still be price, and the market will still be the market. Okay, so let's clear out all these things. All these things are our analysis. Now let's good. So currently, where I mean, chill guys. Let's reanalyze. Okay, let's reanalyze on GU. Remember, I told you guys once there are some certain times when you are in the market, you just have to reanalyze because you want to understand. You don't want your expectations in the market to blind you from seeing what the market is about to do, right? So now in this kind of case scenario, we clear out our own analysis and we reanalyze. So on the monthly time frame is kind of no volume at all, bruh. No volume at all. Like everything is just dead. Like no volume at all on the monthly time frame. And we have 12 days and 15 hours for this monthly candle to close. Um, structure wise, okay, good. Structure wise, we are on what? Daily time frame. We are seeing structure more clearly on daily time frame. So this is more of like our projection time frame. Let's mark it out. So good. Price is sitting on what? Price is sitting on 38.2, which is a valid PRZ. I mean, people that are flowing with me should be flowing with me because they understand what I mean by valid PRZ. So price is around our valid PRZ, and we want to know if price is going to if price is going to break below that area, or if price is going to respect that area. Okay, so let me nothing much. Remember, whenever I mark out that area, that's like an observation point. So I want to see a shift around here. Okay, I want to see some kind of shift around here to know if price is basically going to respect this area. Okay, I need to see some confirmations around that 38.2 to know if that 38.2 is going to be respected or if price is going to keep on dropping. Okay, but understand that we are seeing what this is a bullish structure. Okay, this is a bullish structure. We are seeing higher lows. Okay, and this is, bro, what's going on? Sorry guys, there was good. I hope you guys can see my screen. Sorry, there was a little power interruption. So remember, we are seeing higher lows, right? Higher lows, and price is basically coming here to give us a new valid higher low, right? Wait, give me a minute. Okay. Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Can you guys see my screen? Good. Good. So let's start. So as I was saying here, I need to see if price is going to react towards this area and hold this point, because this area is a valid PRZ area. So that should be done on our lower time frame. Okay, that should be done on our lower time frame, which is our breakdown time frame. So if I see a shift here, then I'll be looking out to take a buy on GBP USD. But currently now, price has not yet structured itself well. Price has not yet structured itself well, so we are still observing to see how price is going to react towards this area. Okay. um do you guys understand? Are we together? So let me write this down. So anticipating a shift on this time frame. So I am not taking any buys on GBP USD now. I need to see a shift in structure here for me to know that that PRZ is going to be held. Okay. So why on XAU, right? I'm not taking any trade. Price is still everywhere. It's up and down, up and down, up and down. I mean, I'm not interested in price action now. Remember, not every day is a trading day, right? Let's go to USD JPY. So basically for USD JPY, right? I mean, I think price is reacting around this exhaustion area. Price is reacting around that exhaustion area, and on our lower time frame, on M30 time frame, structure is still we are still seeing counter moves on that structure, like structure wise, right? We are still seeing counter move. Moving averages are still pointing up, right? To show you that on that lower time frame, for this, I think the bootcamp students should understand this. We need to see a transition of momentum on that lower time frame for we to be able to start taking trades. So for we to take any sales now, we are not allowed to take any sales now. Okay, we are not allowed to take any sales until we see that shift in momentum. Once we see that shift in momentum, that transition, then we start taking our sales. But currently, what this M30 time frame is showing us is that at this particular M30, momentum is still bullish. Do you understand? Momentum is still bullish on this particular M30 time frame, and we are not looking out for sales now until until our dynamic support is broken, right? And we are seeing some kind of lower highs and validations and confirmations before we start taking our trade. So currently, price is kind of reacting around this zone where we marked out this previous resistance area. So price is reacting around that zone. For me though, I'm still observing. Trust me, I think price has not yet given us anything to trade on, honestly. Like I said, now this is one of those examples when I'll tell you that there are days that you have to go like a week without even trading. There are times that you go like 4 or 5 days without even trading. Okay, it's not every single day you must take a buy or a sell. No, there are days you just come to the market, analyze. If you're not seeing anything tangible, you close your charts, close your trade, or sorry, close your laptop, go do something else. Do you understand? So these are one of those days. um GU not giving us anything yet, USJPY not giving us anything yet. And remember, when I mean not giving us anything yet, you need to trade when price, like when the odds are stacked in your favor. Do you understand? You don't need the market to tell you what to do. You need when the odds are stacked in your favor, now you can take a trade, okay, and have confidence in that trade. And when I mean when the odds are stacked in your favor, this is you are seeing your setup in the market, right? You are seeing a valid setup, and it is aligning with your anticipation, right? That is when you take your trade. You don't just wake up in the morning, wetin market dey do, okay, this is what market is doing, bam, you take trade. No, it's not advisable. Do you understand? Wait until it's easy to trade. Wait until price gets to you. Wait until the odds are stacked in your favor before you take a trade. Do you understand that? So GU nothing, XAU. Let's go back to XAU and see if there is any XAUSD nothing. I think the next pair we'll be looking at for now is US 30. XAUSD, right? Still nothing here. I know some people would have been selling on XAU. Trust me, right? Trust me. This particular location where we are, okay, I can bet you that this particular zone where we are, inside this zone, like half, like let's say 50% of forex traders they've lost, either they've blown their account. Traders that are still struggling to not to they are still finding it hard to sit on their hands not to trade. There are people currently in this market condition now that are buying. There are also people currently in this market condition now that are selling. I'm very sure of that. Like inside of this range, there are people that are struggling to buy. There are people that are struggling to sell. They are seeing sell setup. Why there are other people out there too that are still buying setup? Why there are people like us that are not even trading? Do you understand? We are waiting for market to take out the buyers, take out the sellers, then we will now see the true market direction and we'll now start trading. Do you understand? You have to learn that every single day in the market is not a trading day. It's not every day you come to the market and you make money, guys. It's not every day. Do you understand? It is not every day. Trust me, inside of this consolidation, people have lost their Profem account, people have blown their life account, people are in drawdown, people are sweating, people are crying, and there are also people inside this consolidation that they are making money. Do you get? So I mean, every day is not a trading day, and there are people like us that we are just chilling and we are observing because there's a saying that goes, sometimes the best way of being productive is by doing nothing. Do you understand? The best way of being productive, you want to be productive, right? Do nothing, then you are productive. There are times like that, especially when you are trading the forex market. Do you get my point? There are times that for you to just save your capital, the only way you can save your capital is by not trading. Because once you trade in market conditions like this, the tendency of you dashing the money or dashing your money to the market is very high. So why bother? Why stress? Why do something that, I mean, traders that are trading in this kind of market condition, I mean, I think they should be called toxic traders because why do something that would stress you? You know that if I put my leg here, fire will burn me, right? But you still put your leg there because of what? Because of dopamine rush. You just want to know how it feels when fire is burning somebody. That's how traders that are trading in this market condition is. You just want to feel that adrenaline rush that you're in the trade. You want to screenshot and send to people that I mean they catch trades, bro. I mean that's you being crazy though. If you are doing that, that's I mean profitability is really far from you. Trust me. I'm not. This is not an insult, but this is fact. If you are stressing yourself in the market condition, whereas it's not showing anything, profitability is still very far from you. You need to calm down and understand this. Okay. So let's go to US 30. US 30, my niggers. So on US 30, right, that our zone where we marked out is still kind of being respected. Do you understand? You guys can see we marked out that zone yesterday. Was it yesterday? I guess it was yesterday. So that zone where we marked out is still kind of being respected. Price is not yet broke. Is not price is not breaking that area, right? Remember, it was we marked it off on the what on the 1 hour time frame. So price is still not breaking that area. Price is still consolidating around that area. Remember, I said that I'm still bullish on US 30, right? I'm still what? I said I'm still bullish on US 30. So price is still consolidating around that area, but Our where is our moving average? Our moving average is still above the market price. So momentum is still bearish. Do you understand? Momentum is still bearish. 15 minutes time frame, kind of still straight, kind of still moving, like it's still going straight, right? Still going straight. No, I mean, I think everything in the market is just doing one, it's just doing the same thing. I don't know if it's the war or something, but everything in the market is absolutely doing one thing. On that lower time frame, it's still consolidating. The momentum is still neutral. Price is neither bearish nor bullish. Everything, I don't know, but the pairs I trade actually US 30, USD JPY, XE GBP USD, everything is still showing, it's still giving us that. I mean, no, there's no click. Just I'm not yet seeing that click in the market. I don't know why. But it's not that I don't know why, it's just that I know, but I'm not yet seeing that click, and I will not take a trade when I'm not seeing that click yet. So I'll just sit on my hands, relax. Maybe today is another FIFA day for me, play game, eat, relax, watch movies, Netflix and chills, nothing much. I mean, that's the life of a trader, though. For people that don't really know, life of a trader is sweet. You are just making it hard for yourself. Every day is a stressing day. Do you understand? Every day is not a trading day. So price is still consolidating around this area. Price is still consolidating, and I wouldn't advise anybody to take any trade around this point. Just let market give you a clear structure, a clean structure, then you can start taking your trades, right? So, what peg would you guys want us to analyze again? What pair would you guys want me to analyze again? Someone said fire burn them, bruh. What the hell? Someone said I've lost $1,500. Imagine, you can see if you had waited, why would you? That $1,500 was just so unnecessary to lose. So why did you lose that money? You just dashed the market that money. So I think we've analyzed USDJPY, Mr. Stevens Nation, or what's your name? We've analyzed USDJPY, GBP JPY. I mean, the stress of that pair, I really don't like it, but I will analyze it, no problem. Euro JPY. So let's go down to Euro JPY. Was it not the same Euro JPY that I said it was moving very steep yesterday? Was it? I guess it was. Yes, this is it. Yes, good. This is it. So Euro JPY, structure wise, bullish, right? We're seeing this, we're seeing this. Point A to point B, price tested what? 23.6. This is 23.6, this is not 38.2. So this is 23.6 retracement. Then price couldn't get to our negative 27%. Well, though, sorry, I mean there's a mistake here. This should be it. Yes, this should be it. So yes, price got out of it. Because I knew I wasn't running well. So price got to our target, negative 27%, because this was our true support. Sorry, this was our true resistance, but here was just, I mean, this was just tested. Do you understand? This area was tested, but this was our true resistance. So price got to 23.6, hit our negative 27%. Most definitely we'll have to remodify, and I'm expecting price to, we're still expecting, it's either price, right, still gets negative 27, and sorry, is it that price still gets to our 23.6 area, right? 23.6, give us reaction from there, continue moving. This is more of like continuation, right? Or price gets to our valid PRZ area, which is 38.2, then keeps on moving again. So I'm still short-term bearish on this pair, right? Either we see a reaction from here or we see a reaction from here. So I'm still short-term bearish on Euro GBP, Euro JBP, yeah. So I'm still short-term bearish on Euro JBP, guys. Okay. So it's either I'm seeing a reaction from negative 27, and we might likely see a reaction from there. Why? Because that area is kind of a confluence zone, which we are seeing this. Right, that area was a previously support area, sorry, a previously resistance area. So price might most likely get to that area, and we are seeing a reaction from that point. Do you understand? So that is that on Euro GBP. Straight to the point, no stress, make analysis easy for yourself. US 30, okay, we've done that. What other pair again? AUD USD. AUD USD, guys. Wow. AUD USD. Let's check out AUD USD and see. I mean, I remember trading AUD USD then. That pair is slow as what? Fuck. AUD volume is bullish. Bruh. Structure. What is this? What the hell? I mean, why would somebody just trade something like this? Why would you trade something like this? Like, I mean, I don't know. Bro, I'm not analyzing this pair, trust me, man, because I mean, I don't know. I'm not feeling the pair though. Not no structure, nothing, nothing. I mean, we are seeing little structures actually. We are seeing all this here. But this pair is basically, it doesn't give money like that. I mean, so I mean, I'm seeing things like this. The thing is, price is not even breaking this area. Observe, price is not even breaking that area, right? Let me remove this so it won't confuse you guys. That resistance has been, whenever price gets to that point, we see a drop. Whenever price gets, so consolidation, but I mean, I think price is ready to break out of that zone because we are seeing, sorry, because we are seeing some kind of double bottom around here, right? Which is serving as a what? A bullish reversal. So I think price is already is ready to break out of that point for now. Let's go down to M30 time frame. So M30 time frame, you can use a counter trend line, more of like this, to start taking trades. So once price, and remember on that M30, price is still trading below moving averages, right? So once price breaks out of that zone, then we could see probably see something like of such breakout, then this, right? So for now, just chill out, man. Chill out on this pair. Those structure wise is not really showing me anything structure wise. So just chill out on this pair, okay? Chill out on the pair and let it give you in a clean setup. This is no clean setup. This is stress. That's no clean setup. That is stress. Um I think this will be the end of this live stream because I mean we've analyzed every other pair. So any other pair again that we'll be analyzing should be, we would drop the setup. in the community, right? So let's drop these ones that we've analyzed now. So we are still observing this point. Let's go to XAUUSD. Then what pair again did we analyze, guys? GBP USD. Someone said GBP USD is buying. Man, sometimes when I see something like that, I just get tired. I don't even know what to say. So GU is sitting on what? On our PRZ level, but we need to see what? We need to see is a structural shift, okay? We need to see a structural shift on GBP USD. Even though we are seeing this, guys, let me come in. Now, we need to see a structural shift on GU. So guys, I would give out any bias I see on GU, okay? Once I see a bias on GU, I'll definitely call it out for the community. So everybody will be among everybody will take advantage of the trade. Do you understand? So let's just observe now and wait out, because even though you want to take a trade now on GU, you can't take a trade now. This is a knife edge. You might take a trade now and price will tank on you. So it's not advisable, okay? It's not advisable at all. It's not advisable at all. Okay, so let's just observe, wait it out, and see how price react towards this area on GU. I think that is that, right? Is there any question? Someone said your support team is not responding. Don't worry, they'll respond. Okay, they'll respond. They'll get back to you. Okay, support team will get back to you. Even though they don't get back to you, um you can text offer mail on Instagram, on WhatsApp, sorry, on Telegram. Text offer mail on Telegram. Let me type it out. Text on Telegram, so you get a response from him on Telegram. So guys, I think we are done here. Still no trade today. Trust me, no stress. We are not forcing it. No trade, no trade, no trade. Let's just observe and see, okay? So I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Make sure you like. If this is your first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you like and you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We do this every morning, 7 a.m. every morning 7 a.m. Put on your alarm. Put on your alarm every morning 7 a.m. We come out here together, we analyze together, make money together, learn together, and lose money together. Okay? So peace out, my guys. Peace out, everybody, and peace out, my friends, my one big family. Bye, guys.